Okay, so last time we set our blog up to pull the different posts all on one page, and it used a get objects request to get a limit of 2. We can increase that if we want. Now we want to be able to click on a post and link it to an individual post. Okay, now not too hard. First, what we need to do is we're going to use their, instead of the get objects request like we did last time, we're just going to do a get object, and you can see the code on the side. That's basically what we're going to use. We need the slug name, and instead of get objects, it's just get object. So I'm just going to copy and paste, and I'm going to create, we're just going to go to page slug, and instead of get objects, we're just going to get object and slug. We need quest.params.slug. That's it. And instead of going to index, we're going to make our own new views page called page. I'll just call it post. And let's go ahead and make that post.js. And let's just put that here. So on post.ejs, don't need the for loop. And because of that, we're going to do data.get or data.object.title. Okay. And here, we need to create a link. So I'm going to make the title page, post. Stupid. Post. Slug. Not slug. There we go. Post. There we go. No. There we go. Ta-da! Sorry. On this link I put slug rather than post to link it to here. Stupid mistake, but now it works. You can go here, first post. First post. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Cool. So now you can make a blog that lists all your posts, and you can click. Now what you can do to make it more interesting, no, Gunner. Two objects. Now I'm going to edit. I'm going to add Now the reason I don't use plain text because it automatically puts in HTML tags and it'll render as text into your blog. So Markdown, I'm going to use short this blog. On our index here, we're going to have post title, and instead of Markdown, I'm just going to put short, and here, yeah. This blog. So you can put your description rather than your whole content. You could put just the description here, and then when you link to it, you have your actual content. So you can do lots of different things, lots of different options. But I hope this helps. Have any questions? Send them to me. Comment. You know, if you like this stuff, let me know. Tell me what else you want, and you know, subscribe. That's Song and Dance. All right, bye.